What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and the review of this vacuum. This is the wireless car vacuum. It basically uses 2000 milliamp, which is 3x battery, as you can see guys right here. And this is can use on your home, inside your car. So it is cordless vacuum cleaner, which is very great. So inside right here, this is the vacuum itself. It looks something like this, as you can see. Feel pretty neat and the feel well. There's a power button. Wow, that actually pop. So there's a power button on here. Press. What is this called? Press to release. Yeah. So basically can take off this section right here. You can stop that back on. So right here we have a charging port that basically can charge this right here. So this right here is the cable. So this cable right here can plug onto right here, which is a round type looking cable. Those AC port, and this is the USB port that can basically plug into any adapter. Put this onto right here, as you can see, form of extension. So you can basically adjust and lock like so. It's a button on the right here that you can press. So basically lock, adjust it anywhere. So if we don't want to use the brush, we can basically put it on like this, or we can extend it out. That's basically the idea right there. So when you're basically working right there, just get some light. Most of it is now inside right here, so we can press it, basically pull this off as I showed you guys earlier, and we can empty this now into the trash can. That's basically how it's work. Very simple.